Hey y'all, Dr. Wells here from St. Augustine Beach. Today we're going to talk about the top 3 diet hacks to help lower inflammation and accelerate your healing. So you might have that patient, right, that you're doing everything. You're doing your manual therapy techniques, you're doing your modalities, you're coaching them on loading and progression and periodize their training or whatever, but their injury's not healing, right? They're not getting back to the exercise. So here's some 3 of those things that you might want to look at in their particular diet to help them. The first thing is looking at the actual dietary intake. The quality of diet is important, right? So, a recent meta-analysis looked at individuals eating a inflammatory style diet have higher risk of NAFLD. That's non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. There's actually more individuals now with NAFLD than alcoholic fatty liver disease. So it's a major issue. Specifically, the odds of liver fibrosis were 36% higher, and NAFLD was 33% higher in those eating an inflammatory diet. So, eating ultra processed foods, foods that are rich in sugar, foods that are rich in saturated fats. These are foods that patients will consume quite a bit, and it can promote these sort of conditions and promote inflammation. Second tip, swap out those refined grains for more whole grains. So a recent study in a 12-week trial, they looked at specifically for weight loss, that C-reactive protein dropped significantly when patients took refined grains like just white wheat and replaced it with whole rye. So just a simple swap like that can be a significant factor for patients in reducing their inflammation. And as we know, C-reactive protein is a significant marker for inflammation. Number 3, optimize sleep. We talk about this a lot in our courses. We talk about it in my modern rehab mastery program. But the big thing is optimizing sleep can help with recovery. It also helps to reduce inflammation. And in this particular study, it's a 4-week randomized control trial. All they took was 10 milligrams of melatonin before bed, significantly reduced eczema, and improved their sleep. So better sleep means reduced oxidative stress on the body, right? So better healing and less inflammation. So if you want to learn more about these cool anti-inflammation dietary hacks, check out our three-part course series. It's a certificate program specifically for physical therapists, but any rehab professional can take it as well. It's at nutritionalphysicaltherapy.com. Like, subscribe, check it out more. Thanks.